Another day, another camp.
Day 2, day outfit, night outfit. Tick. 5 more outfits just in case. Just in case outfit 1, just in case outfit 2, just in case.
$8:14 and we were still on the road. Jesus Christ, this place is far. 8:48 we arrived. And this was the next morning. We slept so late at 1 a.m. because we had to prepare food and stuff. Sharp, if I tell you that I did this activity, please don't ask for a video. Take my word for it. I did it. Okay, bye. We went for a hike and the views. The views. I even forgot that I don't have internet. Yeah. Apparently this was one of the easiest hikes, but no, I was breathing through the wound. Okay, so these are the things that we do Masingana network, guys. So don't judge you, please. Connecting with the nature. At this point I was questioning all my life decisions, like all. So we made a friend, Asimphanga Lamazimbu Vile was Tatel, and Enati Siamsaba and stuff. Okay, the truth is we did give him something, but not the whole packet. He was being kind and he was just fooling us for us to let our guards down. Then he got into the bus and took the whole packet. This guy. This is giving I'm ready to be a Zulu wife. Yadala ho. This was the next morning and we were headed to the Basotho cultural village for some experience. So we took a tour in this place. It's called the Basotho cultural village. We paid 20 rands. But I think it's more. So we paid 20 rands because we were a lot. So they gave us a Leo discount. So here they're giving us a brief history of the village and the Basotho culture. So they said this is the court and just a brief history. Women were not allowed here. and they gave the reasons. And yeah, so before we continue with the tour, we had to start here, and they say before you go in, the chief has to approve of the visit, and if he approves, bakipa umqombothi, and everybody who comes drinks, but you're not forced to drink. But yeah, it's the way of the king saying you are welcome to the place. So this is the games that they played. Yar. And then we went to the traditional hila. We were not allowed to take videos. Then we moved on to the next one, which is the hut where the king lives or lived. I don't know. So he was just telling us of the different clothing that the king wears. My English is failing me. And he showed the different weapons that are used in the war, the shield. So this is not the real shield. It was just an example of how it looks. Obviously, I'm sure these are not the real weapons. But like, this is a place you would come to if you want to learn about the history of the Basotho culture. So this is how it looked inside. Yeah. And then we moved to the next one. So apparently this one here is given to the eldest son when they get a wife. This is where they go. It's a honeymoon hut. So the chief's eldest son is given this room as a gift after marriage. Yeah. But it's water resistant. That's all I remember. Next one, we went to a lot of huts, like a lot, galore. And then here the lady was showing us the different outfits that the Sotho ladies wore. So according to their age, so as they grow older, more items are added onto their clothing till marriage and all of that. Yeah. And then we moved to the next one. I forgot what this is, but they said in the olden days they'd give this to men. So like he'd only eat 1 spoon of this and drink water, and they'll be full for the entire day. If there's any Sotho person here watching this, please assist and remind me what this is again. Maramina. Yo. And then they gave us Kimidi. I forgot what they said it is in Sotho. The views, guys. Bese nithi mina nginibonisa izinto ezinhle mara yazi. More tasting, yes, count me in. This was so nice. I mean, I do it at home, but it doesn't taste the same. And this was the end of the tour. This side is so nice. There's this side, it's like an event venue. When I got to this side, I was like, I think I found my wedding venue. This is my wedding venue. Guys, but this is my wedding venue. So you can just start walking now so that you make it on time for the wedding. Ngiyashada mina next week. Kadlala yo. Then I bought me some earrings. This with 30 rand. These ladies were selling really nice things, but being a patang mal, I didn't know there'd be stalls. So I'm so disappointed. This is one of the things that they were selling. And also Tikone Josie. Shut up. Shut up. This is the end of the video. Say bye to a friend. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Uyeke into snacks. Nina nithanda ukuchikiwa yazi. Subscribe, like, follow, comment, whatever. Zenze zonke. Bye.